Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So this video, I was going to do live, but hey, life got in the way and I couldn't get around to doing it today. So I'm going to go ahead and just record it and then post it. But this video is, if you watched my review video of the SmartRO, you would have seen that I was going to give one away also. They gave me two of them, and one I was going to give away as a prize to someone. So in this video, we're going to pick the winner of the new SmartRO temperature probe system, 2-probe system. I really like this. It does a great job. It's very accurate. You know, it's a good beginner probe system for you. You can do, 2 meats. You can do a pit and a meat. You could do 2 pits. I did 2 pits. And it worked great. I did a pit and a meat also. Worked great. So we're going to now draw the winner for the SmartRO cooking thermometer system. And I'll have a link up here. It'll probably be over there, maybe over here, to the video. So once you get it, you can go back and watch that and kind of get an idea how this thing works. Unfortunately, due to shipping and everything else, this is only offered for subscribers in the US. And what the rules were, you had to comment, hashtag chicken on the 26, you had to like the video, and you had to be a subscriber. That's all you had to do. And your name would have gone into getting a new thermometer. So without any further ado, let's flip it around to the computer, go to the random comment picker, and let's find us a winner. Okay, so this is the video that I did the review. Let's see if we get to the beginning. Boom. Let's make that full screen. There's the video. We'll watch just the beginning for your pleasure. All right, so that was the beginning. Let's minimize this. All right, then we want to share this. We want to copy the link. Make sure we get that. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this screen. I'm going to drag it up here on my other screen so it's out of the way. Here I've got YouTube random comment picker for YouTube giveaways. Let's open that up. All right, let's get into Zoom. Boom. Let's see how that looks. Get you turned in there a little better. All right. So this is the one I like. It's just a comment picker. What you do is you come down here. So we come down here to enter your YouTube video URL. That's the thing we copied. So we come down and we paste that in there. So it's got that. Get YouTube comments. So we'll click on that. Boom. It says there's 21 unique comments to this video. So then we come down here and we got start your pick random winner. Start raffle and pick random winner. See if we can get you a little closer on there. Voila. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Paul Roche, chicken on the 26. Paul Roche is the winner. Let's go up here. So we're going to zoom back out. Adjust the camera. Let's go up to that upper screen. Let us just see. Paul Roche, pickles, John Matthew, Lassie, Char Griller, Tom Horseman, Beer Champ Barbecue, Fernando. Oh, grill. Paul Roche. He was like the first one that commented. Very cool. Let's see if he has a YouTube. He just doesn't have any contact about that. Alrighty. So he's not, he doesn't make videos or anything. But Paul, if you can send me your information.
No, unfortunately,
oops.
Okay.
Yeah, Paul. So Paul Roche, hope I'm not butchering your name. You won the new SmartRO cooking thermometer. Okay, Paul. What I'll do is if you want to email me at Rshackbbq, so that's the letter R, then Shackbbq, BBQ at gmail.com with your name and address, and we'll get this sent out to you. As soon as I get that information, say, 2 weeks, come back. If he hasn't responded within 2 weeks, I'll pick another winner. I think that's only fair. So congratulations to Paul. Thank you all for watching and commenting. It was real nice of that company to send me this as a giveaway. I like the one I have. I do use it, and it's a good little thermometer. I think you'll really enjoy it. So that's all we got for today, folks. Yeah, hope you all are having a good week, and grill on, my friends. It's not that hard. Till next time.